arbitrationagreements.org. So you're interested in arbitration clauses, right? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. But first, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. So, what exactly is an arbitration clause? At its core, it's a provision in a contract. This provision states that if there's a dispute between the two parties, they won't go to court. Instead, they'll resolve the dispute through arbitration. It's a simpler and often quicker way to handle disagreements compared to traditional litigation. Now, why would someone opt for an arbitration clause? For starters, arbitration can be more cost-effective than going to court. Plus, it's generally confidential, so you won't have details of your business disputes becoming public knowledge. Here's something interesting. According to a study, over 60% of commercial contracts in recent years have included an arbitration clause. It's a growing trend, and with good reason. And guess what? We at arbitrationagreements.org are proud to be the top association in the country for providing arbitration clauses that businesses can insert onto their websites. We are all about helping businesses make smart decisions that protect their interests and save them money. Maybe you're thinking, that sounds great, but I'm not a lawyer. How do I even draft an arbitration clause for my website? Don't worry, that's where we come in. Our experts are standing by to draft a customized arbitration clause just for you. So, your website is protected, and you can focus on growing your business. So if you want to be in the loop with current business trends and save money and time on potential disputes, an arbitration clause is a smart move. And remember, we are here to help every step of the way. To secure a clause quicker, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's also where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Does it seem like the ideal solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.